Here's a quick demo of extended properties in CenTrak Omni. As you can see in our badge list here in the EV2 client, we've got a bunch of columns here of various fields that were added by the user, or in this case it would be the integrator. We can get to that under the Tools Extended Properties Manager, and we can add a new field. We'll call it address, let's say. So there's the display name and the database key. And by right-clicking on the bar here, I can select which of these fields are displayed in the badge list, right? So if I have, for example, here a baby ID of 999, for example, I can search on baby ID 999, and it'll show me just that record. And I can sort, etc. Similarly, I have this similar thing in the web client. Right? So I can go to Properties and select of a particular tag, update that property. Let's say I can go and update, well, I can go to the web client and update the address value here. I'll select a badge and select address 10 West 66th Street, New York. Apply changes, and I can decide which columns to display here, and I can display the address. There she is, Nurse Samantha, 10 West 66th Street, and of course I can search on that as well. Just a substring, oops. And there is Nurse Samantha. Here too in the EV2 client, if I double click on here and I go to Extended Properties, I can also update the values here. 28 Street. Okay, so again, it appears here, or I can search on address 28, and here is the tag with that value. Similarly, I can import these values using the VT import utility, and I can report on them. We have an extended properties report as well. So if I go to my reports, and I have extended properties of, let's say, the badges, and which extended properties can say just address. And then there I have Nurse Samantha with her address is 10 West 66th Street. Now in the SDK, or the Web Services API, anytime I do a set value for an object and I pass it, I can pass it a label of either an existing extended property or an extended property that doesn't exist, and then it would automatically create that extended property when you do the set value and populate that value. So yeah, that's a quick demo.